signing this consent form, you'd be donating your body to a noble cause. You'd have a second chance to live again.
You know what I did. I'm not looking for a second chance.
I'm worried about the future of the human race.
Everything around isn't quite as it seems. What if all the world you used to know is an elaborate dream? And if you look at your reflection, is that all you wanted to be? What if you could look right through the cracks? Would you find yourself afraid to see?
Disassembled. You mean killed?